Hey YouTube, it's Sean. No, we decided to get the scooter out. It's been nice weather, and I've been working on this truck all day, this Jeep, and going to see if the scooter will run. It's been sitting for a year, and then unfortunately the shed leaked, and it got real wet. So it is currently outside here. Let me set you on the hood here, folks. I'll have to re-aim you there. Hang on a sec. We'll get you set up. That's a little better. Alright, there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some gasoline and a battery in this thing. I just mixed up some more two-stroke gas, and got a battery sitting over yonder. So let's get this going. I'm going to put the battery in first. I don't know if you can see me. Let me see the screen. Kinda. I think you'll get it. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Lift the latch. It got pretty wet, so I think it'll be alright. We're going to find out for sure here in a sec. Oops, meow. The old kickstand want to get wet. Get up there. Alright, pop this on here. Bring you back. I don't know if you can still see there. Right about there. Nuts back on there. I made this real easy to disconnect because I take the battery out in the winter time. Hang on one second, gotta get a pair of pliers out of the old toolbox. Yeah, I disconnect the battery in the winter time so it's freezing great. So bad. No sense wasting a good battery, because it does get pretty cold here, snow and ice and all that. Definitely enough to ruin a battery that's just sitting and not really getting charged ever. I take it out because I don't ride it in the winter times. Too greasy out here. I might get the four-wheeler out, not this little scooter. I even take the battery out of the four-wheeler. Batteries are getting too expensive just to forget about them in a rig that's not going to be moving. Take them out, put them up to where they can get a battery maintainer on them. And they just let them sit on the maintainer, and guess what? You never have a bad battery that way. Pretty much never. This battery is way old. Shoosh. It's like 5-6 years old now, and she's still going strong. So, get the old, take that off there. That kickstand wants to give way for you. Ouch. Alright, now let's put some gasoline in it. That cranks, okay. Put some fuel in it. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Probably not. Anyway, I'll be done in a sec, and you'll be able to see it run or not run. It's set for a year. I think a year. I think I got it out last year, I'm not sure. I didn't ride it much, if I did. Wasn't feeling too good.
Put some blue fuel in it. Ooh, plenty of it. Overfilled her. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if she's going to run or not. We're going to find out here in a second.
Wow, let me get a rag. I'm flammable. Alrighty, here we go, guys.
Hopefully you can see it.
Yep, you can see it.
Alright, let's see what we got here. I can't remember which way choke is. I think it's up.
I'm going to choke it for a sec.
Let's prime it with the bulb. Keep forgetting past that.
Okay, now let's try it. Okay, let's see if she'll restart. Yeah, good deal. Nice. All right, there you go. Try to get it on camera. You're starting her up best I can. Oh, there she is, running again. All right, folks, we'll bring you back. I'm gonna probably bring you back. I'm gonna film the Jeep over yonder. I got to replace the air conditioning condenser in the radiator. Unfortunately, see that pressure washer right there? All the wife and kids was pressure washing the truck, all the rigs, and they got them looking real nice. Unfortunately, though, I don't have to tell you anymore. You can see there. All right, so we'll bring you back for a little piece of that there. All right, take it easy, y'all. Love y'all. And we're gonna get you scoop. We just aired the tires up off camera. You saw me put some fuel in it. Well, I hope you did, and got a battery in there now. So we're gonna go ride it. Take it easy. Bye bye.